Take the next exit on the left, please. At the roundabout, turn right, third exit, please.
Check right mirror, right signal. Change lane to the right. If not safe, delay lane changing.
Third exit.
Middle lane is the safest, so stay in the middle. This roundabout is controlled by traffic light. Continue driving on second lane from the right. Check traffic light again.
Stop.
She failed to stop, so I had to brake.
Sorry.
Once you passed second exit, check left door mirror, left signal. If safe, move to the left lane, meanwhile look regularly to the left mirror.
Good. Just apart
Check
from
the
that,
traffic light again.
Just apart from that, the rest was fine. Yeah, inshallah, tomorrow I'm keep your right signal on. Carry on. Don't stop. Just carry on.
Now check right door mirror signal if needed to merge.